to convert this boring table with sharp corners into this beautiful fun table with rounded corners. Let us learn. Before that, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. First, select the table, use Ctrl X shortcut to cut it, then go to the Home tab, paste special and choose SVG image. If you're working with an earlier version of PowerPoint, then you can use enhanced meta file option. I'm choosing the SVG option because I'm working with Microsoft 365. Now this is an SVG image and it's not a table anymore. Right click, convert to shape. Now this is broken down into Microsoft object. We need to ungroup this again. So Ctrl Shift G. Now it is ungrouped. The next step is to remove these border lines. So select those border lines and delete them. It's a fairly simple process. Now let us go to Auto Shapes Gallery. From rectangles, choose this one called as Rectangle Rounded Corners and then draw a rounded corner rectangle like so and ensure that the edges are aligning properly with the table. Then right click and send this to back. Now you can choose the shape fill to be white in color. Now we need to only make adjustments to this shape here. You can go to Edit Shape after selecting this corner, then go to Change Shape and use the option called Single Corner Rounded. You select that. Now you can see that the corner is to the right as shown by this yellow handle. So we need to flip it horizontally so the corner goes to that side. Now we can adjust the rounded corners like this. Now we have taken the full curvature. Now you can see that this rounded rectangle and the curvature of this particular box is not in alignment. So we need to ensure that we use this yellow handle to make sure that both the corners properly align. Beautiful. Now do exactly the same thing here as well. Go to Edit Shape, Change Shape and use this third option from the last called Single Corner Rounded. Now it is properly in the right place. So I'm going to use the curvature like so and then make sure that this outer edge is properly aligned. Now we have a beautiful table with rounded corners. If you want to change the color of the table, you can always select this rounded rectangle and give it a different color, maybe somewhere like this orange color, and choose only these boxes and ensure that their colored fill is changed to whatever color that you want. And now we have a totally different looking table. So play around with the options and it is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make your table look cooler. In the meantime, do you want to learn some simple and creative PowerPoint ideas you can use in your next presentation? Then click on the link here to join our 5-day free email course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas. These are simple, quick and useful PowerPoint ideas I have not shared elsewhere. So go ahead, click on the link, join the course and I will see you inside.